Hey guys, here for another Android video. In this video, I want to share with you guys a very cool app that I've been using for Instagram, and it's called Square InstaPic. And it says right here, like you see, it says never miss out an important part, and that's because if you have used Instagram before, you know that when you upload an image to Instagram, it automatically crops the image to a 4:3 ratio and it uploads the image. That's it. You don't have an option to show the whole image. If you want to share an image of a nice site or view or space photo, something like that, you won't be able to show an image 16:9. So with this app, and I know there's a lot of other apps in the store available that do basically the same thing, but this one is the all of them. This is the one that I like the most, and I'm going to show you guys how to use it. So like you see here, make sure you go to the settings here. Sometimes you're going to see some information that you can actually change here, like for example, save as PNG to your cell phone, EXIF information, preserve it, and all that. Save photo when sharing, all that. That's very cool to save it there if you want. There's a lot of things there to do. What I like also is that, like you see, if you noticed already, it has a little bit of material design already, which is cool, and it looks pretty clean. Like you see there, it looks pretty clean compared to other apps that I've seen. Here you got gallery, here you got camera, where if you tap it, it's gonna of course turn on the camera. That way you could use it to take a picture and upload it from there. It has another great feature, which is collage. Here in collage, you can choose a lot of images. Like see here, I gotta choose that one, that one, that one. Choose over here, and from right here, you could go ahead and change the color of the background if you want. You go ahead and change the borders. Like you see that, you could change the borders. You could do over here, change the design of the collage, which is very nice. It looks very cool, like you see there. And of course here you got other customized backgrounds if you want to use that as well, like you see there. And that's it. That's very cool if you want to do that. And then from there you could tap right here in the top and share the image. Like you see there, share the image right here to Instagram, and right here you are in Instagram, and that's it. So once you hit go ahead over here, that's it. The photo goes uploaded to Instagram, which is awesome. But now let's go ahead and show you guys how to share an image completely without cropping. Let's go and go here to gallery. You choose any other location that you want. I'm gonna go ahead and choose this image right here that I just downloaded to my phone. It's an image of it's supposed to be a 4K image of the galaxy, of our galaxy, something like that. NASA released. And this is a 16:9. Of course, if you upload it, it's gonna automatically crop everything. It's gonna basically look like this. But thanks to this app and other apps, right, we could go ahead and upload the whole thing. And like you see here in the background, you're gonna have to change the background here, because if you don't change it, it's gonna look totally white. So all you're gonna get is this image right here. It might look a little bit funny when you upload it to Instagram. So right here you got a couple recommendation here, or you can go ahead here and go ahead and adjust the color if you want. Like you see there, I could go ahead and adjust the color there, and you can see the palette over here changing. Like you see there, very cool. Or over here you got the option to rotate the image. Here you got the option to apply filters. Very cool. See there. Again, you could customize or apply different intensity there. Over here you got the option to apply contrast, and this is very cool. It does a very good job applying the contrast and everything else. All the effects here, saturation, look there, looks very nice. Exposure, just exposure there, and warm, and vignette if you want. You can see there, vignette. But this is very nice. This looks very cool. I'll go here and apply there, and that's it. Over here you can go ahead and crop it. Like you see, this is free. This is 1:1, 4:3, 3:2, and it has a whole bunch more. Look at this. It has a whole bunch more options. I recommend just leave it in free there. Just leave it there in free. That way it doesn't crop the image, because that's what the purpose of this app is for. Here, of course, if you want to add a customized background instead of a color, you see there, instead of a plain color, you could go ahead and apply one of these colors if you want. There, tap right here. You got the option here to zoom in, zoom out, but this is what we want. Here you could go ahead and add a text to it. Let's go ahead and put space, add. Here you could go ahead and move the words here around if you want. And right here we could go ahead and change, look at all the fonts available, which is not bad. Look at that. I'll change this one like that. Looks cool. Look at that. That looks awesome. And of course you could change the color of the text as well if you want. Look at that. Of course here you could zoom out, zoom in, make it a little bit bigger, the words. And that's it. Let's go ahead and leave it like that. Look at that. That looks cool. Let's go ahead and put it here to the side right there. Let's go ahead and put it there. Cool. Okay, what else we got here? Here we got another way to change the color of the background. You can see there. Or here you could change the way the position of the photo itself. I like the way it does it. And over here you can go ahead and change what it does. This one is pretty cool because what it does is it focuses the image. It's zoomed in and you can see the image of the photo that you have here blurred in the background, which actually gives it a nice look there. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose that because that looks pretty cool. And that's it. That's all you can do here. There's a lot of things. Of course you could add text and all that, which looks very cool. It does it very nice. And from here, once you're done adding all the effects that you want, you can go ahead and click right there and it'll go right out, like you see there, go straight to Instagram. Click right there. Right here you can keep adding more effects if you want, like that. Very cool. And that's it. Let's go ahead and share it. So if you follow me on Instagram, you're gonna see this image right here, which I'm gonna put let's go here, photo edited with, what was the name of the app? InstaPic. I think it was InstaPic. Let's go like that. And here, of course, go and share that. And that's it. Let's go and share that. Okay, so it failed. Okay, now we're finished. And let's see the image. Look at that. Yeah, baby. So like you see there, very cool way to share images that you do not want to crop. So I recommend using that app. I'm going to go ahead and upload the image there. I'm having problem with my internet here. Don't worry. It's not the phone or the app. It's my internet. And look at that. That looks very, very cool. So thanks for watching the video, guys. This was a look at the app called InstaPic. We'll just go ahead and show you guys over here. I did try a couple apps, like No Crop is another good app if you want to try. Go ahead and try it out. No Crop, but Square InstaPic. Like see there, Square InstaPic. Very, very cool. So guys, that's it. That was a very short look at Square InstaPic, which is a very cool app for Instagram. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Till next time.